Hello everyone, myself Bhausha Shakshi Ketan Kumar studying in FYBCom. Today I am going to present a short presentation on production function. So first let us begin with the definition of the production function. The term production function refers to the relationship between the inputs and the outputs produced by them. A firm that wants to produce something has to coordinate the factors of production and in addition it has to procure and use other inputs. The term input is wider than factors of production. All those goods and services that the firm uses in the process of production may be termed inputs. A production function expresses a relationship between input and output under conditions of given technology. That is, a production function exhibits a purely technical relationship which connects factors, inputs, and outputs. Thus, the relationship between inputs and output is known as production function. It includes all technically efficient methods of production. Thus, given the technical conditions of production, the output of a particular types of goods depends on the quantity of two or more inputs. The production function can be expressed as given on the screen. Now, let us study about assumptions of production function. The production function rests on two main assumptions. State of technology remains the same during a given period. If there is change in technology, it will result in an alternation of the input-output relationship depicted by the production function. It is assumed that the firms utilize their inputs at the maximum levels of efficiency. That is, the production function includes all the technically efficient methods of production. It may be noted here that if a production function includes only a single technical efficient method, it is called a one process production function, and if it includes two efficient processes, it is known as two process production function. There are three forms of production function. Production function relating to increasing returns or economies of scale. Production function relating to constant returns. Production function relating to diminishing returns or diseconomies of scale. Production function relating to increasing returns or economies of scale. When the proportionate increase in output is greater than the proportionate increase in all inputs, it is said to be production function relating to increasing returns. To put it differently, with the given factor and technology, if more output can be obtained or if the same output can be obtained with the use of the less quantity of factors than used earlier, it is known as production function with increasing returns. If the price of the factors remains the same, we get production function with diminishing cost. Production function relating to constant returns. When the proportionate increase in all the input is equal to the proportionate increase in output is said to be production function with constant returns. If the factor prices remain the same, we get production function with constant price. Production function relating to diminishing returns or diseconomies of scale. When the proportionate increase in output is less than the proportionate increase in all inputs, it is said to be production function with diminishing returns. In other words, with the given factors and technology, if less output is obtained or if more factors are required to obtain the same output as earlier, it is known as production function with diminishing returns. If factor prices remains the same, we get production function with increasing cost. So, this is as far as production function is concerned. Thank you.